look fabulous in that suit.
I said the same thing.
Yeah, you look good.
I said the same thing.
Yeah, looks
I
good.
said the one that attacked you last time. See, now he's I remember that.
I apologize to you. You look wonderful. No, my first question for you, President Zelensky.
In the same suit. You see, I changed you.
اس بار یوکرینی صدر ولادیمیر زیلنسکی نے صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ سے ملاقات میں سیاہ سوٹ پہن رکھا تھا، مگر پچھلی بار ان کے جنگی لباس پر تنقید کی گئی تھی۔
Why don't you wear a suit? Why don't you wear a suit? You're the highest level in this country's office and you refuse to wear a suit. Just want to see if you do you own a suit?
Yeah, problems.
A lot of Americans have problems with you not
Really?
respecting the dignity of this office.
I will wear a costume after this war will finish.
Okay.
Yes, maybe one.
Maybe something
maybe
like
something
this.
like
Yes,
yours.
sir.
Yes.
That'd be great.
Maybe something better. I don't know.
Yeah.
We will see.